Good morning everyone. I am Kavya Rawkar from class 8 and my topic is Mumbai's ocean are filling with plastic, a growing concern. मला मुंबईचे जे हे असा समुद्र असा ते प्लास्टिकान भरता. Problem with waste management in crystal. Waste manage करपाक किती प्रॉब्लेम्स येतात ते. Indicate waste segregation. जो कचरो आसा तो अर्दो सेपरेट केलो वयता. So clear to separate waste into proper categories. Example, recyclable, organic and non-organic. जो कचरो आसा तो सारक्या कॅटेगरीजात सेपरेट केलो वचना. Insufficient infrastructure. Lack of adequate facilities, equipment or system for managing waste effectively. Lack of electronic solar facilities कमी असतात. Equipment असतात ते सुद्धा कमी असतात. Why do these problems occur? हे जे प्रॉब्लेम्स असतात ते कित्याक जाता? Lack of awareness and education. awareness सगळ्यांक म्हायती कमी आसा तांकां चड शिक्षण आसा म्हळ्यार प्रॉब्लेम्सा बद्दल त्या खातीर. Insufficient knowledge about proper waste management practices among citizens and stakeholders. Insufficient म्हटल्यार कमी knowledge आसता proper waste manage कसो करप त्या बद्दल. Inadequate resources and infrastructure. Limited funding, limited facilities and insufficient personnel to manage waste effectively. Limited funding म्हटल्यार थोडेच पयशे आसप, limited facilities or good facilities and workers सुद्धा कमी आसप waste manage करपाक. Other waste related problems in the city आणि जे problems आसतात त्याबद्दल cities construction and demolition waste. आता जो बिल्डिंग बांधता तुटता त्याचो waste. The city generates around 10,000 tons of construction waste daily. आता जो बिल्डिंग मोठी जाल्यार जें सिमेंट पडटा आनी चिरे बीन पडटा तेजो waste much of waste down into that tank. जाल्यार तितून चडशी सिमेंट आसता चिरे बीन आसता ते पावस पडटकूच मातयेन मिक्स जाता. Mangroves and trees. Mangroves म्हटल्यार झाडां and trees म्हटल्यार tributaries. बारीक जे नदी आसता तितून व्हांवून वयता. These led to environmental conflicts. Roads and garbage dumping. रस्ते सायडीचो कचरो उडयता तेजो प्रॉब्लम. Areas like zoo experience regular dumping of garbage on roadside. Zoo जी प्लेस आसा थंय चडसो कचरो रस्त्या सायडीकूच आसता. Creating fog conditions, attracting waste and posing health hazards. वायट वातावरण तयार करता. Attracting waste म्हटल्यार ते कचऱ्याचे बारीक बारीक जीव येवन आसता आनी ते हेल्था खातीर आपल्या भायर आसता. Similarity to local waste problems. Integrate waste segregation. Integrate to separate waste into proper categories. Example, recyclable, organic and non-organic. कचरो organic, recyclable परत यूज करून मेळटा तो कचरो सारको सेपरेट करून सारको सेपरेट करून. Insufficient infrastructure, lack of adequate facilities, equipment or system for managing waste effectively. System waste manage करपाक सारकी नासता. Additional local waste problem आणि थोडे local waste problem. Plastic waste pollution. प्लास्टिकचे बॅग्स आसता, बॉटल्स आसता तेंचे pollution. The accumulation of plastic waste in the environment. आता plastic waste जो environment जमा जाता harming ecosystem and human health. Ecosystem म्हटल्यार उदीक येता, वारो येता, जमीन बी पाड जाता आनी human health आमचे हेल्थाक खूब वाड आसता. E-waste disposal issues. Electronic waste paper issues are the improper disposal of electronic waste. Electronic waste to cycle dispose posing environmental and health risks due to toxic materials. Environmental quality electronic materials establish environmental harmful and environmental solution to this problem. Implement effective waste segregation. Separate waste into categories. Consider categorization separate करतात. Recyclable, organic, non-organic. Recyclable म्हणजे करून घ्यायचा. तो organic म्हणजे chemicals नसतात. Non-organic chemicals असतात. Facilitate proper disposal and recycling. And proper dispose करून घ्या कचरा आणि recycle करतात. Increase recycling and composting. Infrastructure develop and utilize facilities for recycling and composting use. Recycle करतात आणि वेस्ट कंपोस्ट करतात. त्या फॅसिलिटीज डेव्हलप करतात. Reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. कचरा असतो तो जमिनीशी खूप कचरा निघते जमिनीशी कचऱ्यांमध्ये असे कमी करतात. Sustainable waste management practices mainly. Waste segregation methods. Waste separating waste into organic, recyclable, and non-recyclable materials to facilitate proper disposal and recycling. India, the list of many non-organic recyclable categories are separated by practice. Composting and recycling. Composting is खत तयार करतात. Recycling converting organic waste into compost and recycling materials like paper, plastic, and glass to reduce waste sent to landfills and promote resource conservation. कमी करतात तो कचरा कमी करतात आणि रिसोर्स कंजर्व करतात. रिसोर्सला उडी माती जमीन या फ्युचरला कंजर्व वाचवून ठेवतात. Waste management progress in our locality. Tourism power waste generation. Goa tourism industry contributes to the solution in waste generation. Goa tourism वाढवता मदत करतात. particularly coastal and environmental concerns. Coastal म्हणजे समुद्र किनारा environmentला पर्यावरण म्हणजे surrounding जे जागा असतात. Proper waste management in Goa tourism spread to its coastal. आता समुद्र किनाऱ्याचे Thank you.